Oh, before I proceed, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of my videos, and also hit that notification bell if you'd like to get notified when I upload a new video. My name is Tom V Makeup, and welcome to my channel. So I am standing in my kitchen at 1 o'clock at night. So that means one thing. I'm going to clean my brushes. What else? What else should I do in my kitchen? Alright, so I need to clean this dirty mother. But first, I probably have the worst lighting in YouTube history here. So let's just fix this image and put on a filter right now. So it's a little bit better, right? Are you focusing on my face? Yes, you are. When I need to clean my brushes and I'm in between two customers and I don't have a lot of time and they do get dirty, because I use, I think, well, somewhere around 50 brushes for one person. It's terrible. Like for every little stroke I do, it's like I need a new brush. So if I don't have a lot of time, what do? I take a little towel. I have my Essence de Nettoyage. I don't know how it's called in English, but it's, here we have some wash benzine. So it's a sort of cleaning essence when you have stains on your clothing. And since a lot of my brushes are synthetic fibers, I thought, why not try it? I don't know where I got this, but I think it's I kind of heard it from someone. I think it's very old school. But what do? You just pour a little bit of the wash benzine on your towel. You take a dirty brush. You see, that's my favorite brush. It's from MAC. So I do have some favorites from MAC. To apply blush. And I just basically lightly sweep my brush on the towel. It really takes out all of the product and my brush comes out so clean. Why is it not focusing like this? The downside of this product is that it has like a little smell, but it evaporates very fast. So if I do it in between customers, I do have half an hour, I can clean my brushes, and by the time I use it, the smell will be gone. I should know this, but I don't know if this really disinfects my brushes. So I always take a ISOPROPYL alcohol, which I always have in my makeup kit, and I just spray it onto my brush just to make it really, you know, disinfected and clean and fresh. It's not something you do every time you clean your brushes. When I do have time, I have a different kind of way to clean my brushes, and that is with water and cleansing soap. Even if I don't have a lot of time, all of my natural fibers and the brushes for powders, I will use my beloved washing benzine and the isopropyl alcohol. And my synthetic brushes that I use with creams, foundation, and so on, I will use the washing soap, because I don't really care if this brush feels a little bit damp when I'm starting with my application. With the powder brushes, of course, I want it to be completely dry. So in the past, I used to use just regular hair shampoo to clean my dirty brushes with water and soap. It did work, but cost me a little bit more time to really get them clean. So then I stumbled into this little guy. So this is so old. You can see it contains glitter. The glitter is not normally on the soap when you buy this. It is a Blender Cleanser Solid soap bar. I basically got this as a present from my boyfriend, which you already all know has a makeup web shop, which kind of supports my makeup academy, which is super great because I do not have time to run that kind of business. So he does that not for me, but for himself. As you all know, he's also a makeup artist. He started 1 year ago and he's doing really great. But my boyfriend gave me this little device. It is a Keep It Clean silicone cleansing pad. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it is this pink little thing. When I used to clean my brushes with my shampoo, I just used my hand, a little bit of water. I just poured a little bit of shampoo on my hand and I just was scrubbing like this. But if you're done with all these brushes, your hand feels a little bit numb. He came with this and I didn't not knew it. So he said, test it out, let me know what you think. Inside was a soap. He also gave me a liquid soap, which I didn't care about before because I was using my regular soap and it was working okay. So I was like, yeah, what's the difference between just like a beauty blender soap or a soap? So I started using this one because I just wanted to try it. It did clean out my brushes so fast in combination with this one. I don't know if it's really the soap or this, but I had the feeling it worked so well. And the plus point was, if you're familiar with the beauty blenders, well, the original beauty blenders, you all know they have a really nice and subtle lavender smell. And it is the same smell that contains in this. So basically what I do, I just start to wet my brush a little bit. I like to use slightly hot water, not really hot like it's burning your hand, but just like somewhere in the middle. After that, I just take my small cleansing soap and I just rub it a few times over the soap, and you don't need to pick up like a lot of product. Then I use the silicone pad, which I'm holding like this, and I just start to scrub. It prevents my hand of getting numb, so that's also nice, because you all know why we need these hands for makeup. What is your favorite way to clean your brushes? I'm really like curious what you all do, so let me know, because maybe there will be like to maybe even clean my brushes even faster, because it's not my favorite thing of the day. Wash out the soap, and after this I just repeat this step with a little bit of this. The product cleanses a little bit less faster than the solid soap, but I like to use this one because it has such a nice lavender smell. After that I just clean it with water. When I feel the soap is gone, I just do like this. Really? And I just go back and forth on the towel just to make it a little bit more dry. Smells so good. It is really clean. Like, anyway, just junk of your skin, makeup and bacteria is all just locked in to that brush. So it's really important to clean them out. I wouldn't want a makeup artist to do my makeup with a filthy brush. So just to be sure that it's disinfected, I use my isopropyl alcohol and I just spray my isopropyl alcohol to disinfect it. After that, I'm just laying it flat on a surface, on a table, on a towel that's laying on the table, putting my brush to rest, let them dry, and then the first thing in the morning is make a cup of coffee, pour some water in my face, and just take out my brushes, put them back, and that's how I clean my brushes. Do I have something else to say? No. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Ciao.
Don't you see? I'm not painting green. I'm grey and black, just as my heart.